La 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 la. What is this? Our classroom is broken. Who did this? What to do now? Hello guys, our classroom is broken and you should help me. Who did it? Of course, I will help you. Okay, thank you. And I will help you. Thank you very much. And I also will help you, of course. Thank you guys. You're so kind. And I also will help you. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. You are so kind. And I will also help you. Okay, then let's go. Let's go to our classroom. La 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 la. Good morning, girls. How are you? Good morning. What to dress today? This one. Yes, this is beautiful. Okay. Hello, girls. How are you? Hello, our teacher. How are you? I'm fine, but our classroom is broken and you should help me. Will you help me? Yes, of course. We will help you. Don't worry. Thank you. And me too. Thank you very much. Then let's go to our classroom. La 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 la. I'm so beautiful and my dress is so beautiful. Hello. Hi. Our classroom is broken and I need your help. Will you help me? Yes, you should help us because it's our classroom. No, I don't want to help you because my dress is very expensive and very beautiful. It can be dirty. Okay. Come in all here and let's rebuild our classroom. Okay. Wow, So beautiful. Wow. Wow, now our classroom is very beautiful. Everything is good on its place. Thank you very much. I also want to learn with them here and have fun. What are you doing here? I also want to come into this classroom and learn and have fun with guys. Okay, let's go. Let's go have fun together. Oh, thank you very much. Now I will help you every time. I am so sorry.